If you decide to explore Niedzica Castle in Poland, don't forget to stop and visit Miniature and Attraction Park in Niedzica as well. This is a place where joy and fun don't know the age limit, where entertainment and education meet at one point. Here you will have fun and at the same time come out with a head full of new knowledge and ideas. In this miniature park we can see buildings of Orava, Spiš and Podhale region. We can see here models of beautiful castles, houses and monasteries in the scale of 1 to 20. Among the miniatures are the castles of Dunajec, Lubovňa, the Orava Castle, Chorstin and Pieniny castles, as well as the Red Monastery, the church in Debnie, the Tetmajerov, Zobrazica Gorna and Uznansking. Here history connects Poles and Slovaks as residents of one region. Sanctuaries of the Marian Apparitions, this is the newer part of the Park of Miniatures. In one place you can see sanctuaries from different parts of the world. Attractions of the amusement park include, for example, Golden Bungee that will provide a dose of positive energy, climbing wall, rope park with various types of routes like e.g. the Jánosik route designed for young people and adults, which consists of 16 obstacles giving a lot of emotions and adrenaline. Enjoy your visit here to the fullest.